Go ahead. Can you open it on your own? Whoa. What is that? What? A letter? An eye patch? So you can be a pirate flag? Did you finish opening your present? What's that?
Wow, you get lots of presents.
Wow. He's so excited. What do you say to Auntie Paulina? And Cousin Naomi, Sienna, Uncle Yoon, what do you say? Do you say thank you? And you say I love you? And then kisses.